Hello COD mobile players, do you like Call of Duty Mobile like me? And in today's tutorial your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited CP points and unlimited credits and play your COD mobile game like never before and working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello COD mobile fans and welcome to my brand new review, and in this review your boy will be showing you how you can get Call of Duty Mobile, unlimited CP points and unlimited credits all in your favorite game. Okay, maybe if we go to the store. Oh my god guys, look at that! Unlimited CP points and unlimited credits loading up in my account. Unlimited guys. Follow each and every step and you'll be having all of this. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here, appspatch.com, official website, and search your game or any app guys. Okay, perfect. I find COD Mobile and enter your username guys. Enter correct username in your Call of Duty Mobile account or game, of course. Give me a second guys. Okay, perfect. And choose your platform. I select iOS, but working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices guys within a few simple clicks. And very fun step, select your CP and select your coins. I select maximum why not and wait for loads up. And guys, please don't use VPN, it may not work. Just use home Wi-Fi and good internet and you'll be absolutely perfectly fine. Okay guys, there it is, resources successfully sent, which means that in about 2 minutes you can go back to your COD mobile game and check your CP points and your credits. Now I saw some people on Reddit reporting that after it's being loaded they have some device verification step. Make sure that you complete that because sometimes they ask you to complete it. But right after you complete that, you are going to have free resources sent to your account, as you can see, to my personal account. So that is exactly how to get COD Mobile unlimited CP points and unlimited credits for absolutely free. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.